Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99 for you to hit the subscribe button. It costs you zip, zilch, zero, nada, nothing, y'all. So if you like hybrid budgeting, I do digital Google Sheet budgeting, and I also do cash stuffing. I do saving challenges as well as tracking expenses in my A5 planner. If any of this piques your interest, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to go ahead, share this out to people if you think they'll be interested, and make sure your notification bell is on. So that's enough of the church announcements. Let's get into the binder. So this is actually my savings binder. I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible because we are losing the light. I just realized I could use flash. Y'all let me know if the flash is better. Let's get in here. So we've got the cards that I'm not bringing around with me because we're not technically using them right now. Then we are just getting in here. You are enough. And of course, God. Now, this is my first challenge. My first challenge is one I got from Etsy. I will be sure to link it down below. It is a monthly challenge. This is the one for January. And I will save $31 in January. It came as a printout or downloadable file, so it wasn't very expensive. I printed them, I cut them, and I laminated them myself because I want to be able to reuse them next year if possible. What it is for the month, the day, like January is the first month, so you save $1 for every single day of the month, and I'll show you guys. And right now, this is just y'all know I'm on my low buy, so I'm not buying any new envelopes or anything. I bought this saving challenge before the year started, and let me show you guys the other ones for the rest of the month so I can explain the concept of these. So February, so it'll be it's supposed to be 29 days, but this might just be 28. I'm not 100%. I don't know if they knew it was a leap year or not. So $56, and then March the same thing. So you're going to save $3 for every day of the month. I hope you guys get what that is. So of course you're going to save a little bit more. Now, I personally don't have extra money put aside for these savings, so it'll probably be coming out of any like YouTube money that I make or any leftover cash stuffing money. Cash envelope money. May, June, July, August, my birthday, September, October, November, and December. So that is that challenge. And this money, I think I'll just be using for my experiences, or if anything comes up that I forgot about that I want to do for like giving or anything. Like my sister is having a baby in March, so I might use some of that money for that, or for me, or just whatever. It might also be used towards appliances since I really want to change the appliances. But if you saw my yearly budget, that doesn't really fit in right now. So that's where we are right now. Then I've already shared this on with you. I ended up putting my stickers all over the envelope. I just thought these were so cute. If you didn't see my video, this was sent to me by my friend Callie, Girl Budgets. And whosoever gathers money little by little makes it grow. That's Proverbs 13:11. I believe this is by Little Helpful Files or something. I'll be linking the Etsy shop below. And it's a Books of the Bible Saving Challenge, and it makes $534. And you just color in the books of the Bible as you save the amount for each Bible verse, each book of the Bible. So I'm so excited about that. And this $500 something, I'm not 100% sure. I think this might actually be money for like YouTube. So I still need to get a post office box if I want to ship anything, if I want to do any giveaways. Because right now, y'all, the channel is in God's hand, just like everything else. So that might be used for that. But life is so crazy and different that I don't ever know what money will be used for, to be honest. I'm just going to be saving. And so this is our next challenge. It's a 1,000K savings challenge. And you do it by section, and I could definitely stand to save another 1K. Maybe that can go to appliances as well. Not 100% sure, but I like the way it's divided. So section 1 is like $95, and you'll see like this envelope is $5, this is 20, 10, 35, 25. I'm assuming that adds up to 95, and so on, 105, 175, and it's its own envelope, which I really, really like. So the first 3 section has an envelope, and section 4 through 6 has an envelope, and all of these together will add up to $1,000. And this will be slow and steady, but it's really cute. And those are my main 3 savings challenges for the year. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna get completely done, or I'll be able to save up this, maybe what is this, probably $3,000 this year, but I'm gonna try because if you look at my yearly budget, I don't really have that. And so then there's this, these are just extras in case I choose to do this. This is a goodbye debt credit card debt tracker that I can use for my Capital One, because there's some debt still on there that I'm trying to pay off. And I could do this, so I'm not 100% sure about that yet, but I got this is like a freebie from, let's see, from Budget with Tiana Chanel, when I purchased, I think, $1,000 savings challenge from her last year. And this here is just extra, I don't know. Oh, these are some scratch offs that I had gotten last year, and I was like, maybe I'll use them, maybe I won't. I started them but didn't finish them. But I'm all about, like I said, this year is a low by year, so I want to use what I have. I did also purchase this 1K savings challenge from an Etsy store, and I printed it out. So I printed it out, double-sided it. I printed it out twice, cut it down to size, put it back to back, and then laminated it. This would have been my goal for this year, this $1,000 savings challenge, but it's just $10,000 savings challenge. Doing my budget is just not in the budget right now, but I'm keeping it hopefully in 2025, or Lord knows, God makes a way, so who knows. And then I have a little savings challenge that I made for myself for my humble home. And these I might put in like my bedroom savings challenge or the dining room, because there's some groceries I want to buy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not groceries, child. There's some furniture I want to buy. A box ring for my bed and a dining room table really are on the list. And then these are just my prop money, because I'm not big on leaving money in envelopes while I save. I'd rather put them in the bank and, just get the interest on it in a high yield savings account. However, these used to say 500, and I just took some stickers and made them 100. I believe I got these really, really cute pink ones from Prosperously Pink when she used to be on YouTube. And so I'm just keeping them close by. So when I get to 100 in each one of these, I'll be able to change them out for prop money and put the $100 in the bank. And this is just a general extra for anything I've forgotten. But that is all my savings challenges for the year, you guys. Nothing too crazy. I'm super happy with the ones that I have. I'm excited to start getting to see what I can save. Like I said, I don't really have any money allocated out of the budget for these, so it'll probably be whatever I can save in my variable cash stuffing stuff, if I get paid from YouTube, and if I can do any other little side gigs or get any money in from anywhere else. That'll be what will be saving for my saving challenges. So I'm not really, like super focused on them, but I would like to save. I'd like to save as much as I can. Anyway, guys, that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, If you made it this far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye! Jazz hands. Love you, mean it, boy.